bear lost. 10 sleepy bears wake from a winter's night. One wanders out in the early morning light. 9 scruffy bears wash in a sparkling stream. One dries off, his fur all fresh and clean. 8 hungry bears go on a hunt for food. One wanders off when she smells something good. 7 little bears pad softly through the trees. One sniffs some honey and goes looking for bees. 6 playful bears have fun in the snow. One disappears, bottom high, head low. 5 strong bears climb up a slippery slope. One slides down. She let go of the rope. 4 weary bears have a rest at the top. One falls over. Flippity flop. 3 lively bears race down the icy hill. One stops to rest, calm and still. 2 brave bears paddle steady and slow. One gets stranded. Where should he go? 9 weary bears have gone back home. But look, one poor bear's left all alone. One bear lost. 9 worried bears call out for their friend. 10 happy bears are back together again. 10 tired bears are fast asleep in their cozy den.